my name is Senso, and once again, welcome to my world. And for today's video, I know it's been a while since I get online and posted video. And for today's video, I'm actually want to share with you one of the most interesting part of my activity. An early birthday gift for myself. Unbox naman po tayo! Sa today's video, mag-unbox po tayo ng isa sa mga hinihintay ko na makumpleto para maging maayos na ang aking vlogger dito sa gitnang silangan. And for today, kailangan nating i-unbox. Ano kaya ang nasa naman itong box ito? Well, for the past few days or for the past few weeks, I'm actually waiting for this moment in time because I am really excited, the moment that I received my salary. It is like, oh, I really want to buy this, and today it's happening. I waited for my deliveries. I have to wait for like 3 days. I have to make sure that my schedule is not really busy, and today is the day na nagkaroon ako ng time to unbox this. Imagine this box is with me for the past 3 days already. Can you imagine that? Samahan po ninyo ako i-unbox. Samahan niyo ako. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. So now, kailangan na natin buksan ang ating box. Kaya naman ito. Well, samahan niyo ko at tignan natin. Isa sa pinaka gusto ko kasi is magkaroon ng stabilizer. Like what I said before, when you work abroad or if you are able to work abroad and you are able to save money, then at least you can buy things that you like in life. Okay? Sometimes that makes us really happy. So, just to give you a background para kung bakit ko siya pinili, kasi parang na-excite ako magkaroon ng, na-excite na ako lumabas and explore my current community. And during the process before na nagkaroon ako ng hard time, actually stand a tripod. And for me, ang hirap-hirap gumalaw. Ang hirap-hirap maglakad, ang hirap-hirap mag-navigate using only a tripod. And that tripod alone is kinda one way lang. So, today, ito na yung sagot sa aking kahilingan. Okay, so ayan na for the final touch. Kailangan ko na. Ayan na. Okay. Tada! Ano kaya nasa loob? Tayo. Okay. So, once again, before I open the box, I just want to remind again everyone the importance of your receipt. Laging tatandaan, kapag may receipt, mas maganda, mas safe for your warranty. Always check if you have your warranty. And of course, ensure na tama yung mga na-order nyo online. Like what I said, always choose the best company or always choose the best online shops para malaman nyo at ma-receive nyo yung item nyo correctly. Okay, so I will keep my receipt this time. Actually, again, this time, dalawa uli ang binili ko. Okay? Bago ko muna i-unbox yung isang pinaka-importante, I just want to show you my Boya. Here we go. Yan, Boya. So, Boya 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Wireless microphone system, which is compatible to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. You have to make sure that your mic choice is compatible with your mobile phone or with your camera. So, I bought moble for my Nikon Z30. This is really usable. As you can see right now, I'm using it. Very good quality, as malinaw, malakas, and I can tell you this is really like one of the best microphone set I had. And like what I did before, I bought 2 microphone and 1 transmitter. So as you can see right now, it's a set of 3. 1 transmitter and 2 microphone mics. Because one thing that I really love is doing an interview. So I'm really looking forward to interview people around the community so that I can learn something and we can learn something from them and able to see what we can have and what they can share to us. Okay? So this is another video for later. Okay? Okay, so this time, ang laman ng box ay... Ta-da! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I bought my stabilizer. This time, I bought my DJI OSMO Mobile SE. This is one of YouTube's recommendation. Very soon, magkakaroon po ako ng testing para sa aking DJI OSMO Mobile SE stabilizer. Or titignan mo, look at the boxing, guys. Ang ganda, napaka, original. Like what I said, you have to choose the right supplier for your items or products. Make sure that they are not sending or giving fakes items, or else it will be a waste of money, a waste of time, and of course a quality that you can really share to your fans, subscribers, and many more. So now I will open it. Nakaka-excite kasi talagang naka-sealed siya. And here you go. I think there's a slip here. Yan. Okay, with my use of my scissor, tingnan natin kung pwede natin siyang daanis. Really, ang ganda. Na plastic talaga siya, pero wow, napaka-compact look. Ang linis. So, ano kaya ang mga laman ng ating OSMO Mobile SE DJI? Okay, tanan. Removing plastics. Okay, so this is my first view for my OSMO Mobile SE stabilizer. Okay, so as you can see dito sa likod, meron siyang parang strip that you have to pull. Look. Yeah. Okay. Yan, bukas na. Very good. Bukas na po siya. Yan. Okay. Upon opening, meron siyang, oh wow. Guys, meron siyang magandang box inside. And guess what? Meron pa siyang tinatawag na guidelines or guide nyo para sa paano pag turn on or paano paggamit ng ating Mobile SE. Okay? Ayan. So, dapat ganito pala para mag-reflect yung white light. Alright. So, now, open ko na. Ayun. O, diba? Ang cute. Meron siyang magnetic moments with DJI. Ano kaya nasa loob nito? Let's see. Oh my god, one thing that I really love about DJI is this bag. One thing that I like about DJI is this bag. Tignan mo, diba? Well, meron DJI bag na maliit lang, para kahit pa paano, hindi siya magasgas, diba? Hindi magasgas somewhere. Meron naman quick start, yan, quick start guidelines, okay, for your mobile stabilizer. And of course, yan, in different languages. So, aside from the guidelines, ayan, we have to make sure na lagi nating babasahin ang guidelines or manual guidelines natin para to ensure na alam natin ang pasikot-sikot sa gagamitin nating gadgets. Okay? And like what I said, ayan na, meron na tayo sa box. Diba? Una natin nabuksan na box, meron tayong small pouch or bag. Sa loob ng pouch, meron sticker. O yan, meron pa kasama yan para doon sa inyong mga support. First, meron ding charger. Okay, nowadays, ganito na lang ang binibigay ng mga packaging because mostly hindi na gumagamit ng plug. Okay, so ayan, isa. And then of course, ito, yan, binuksan ko na sa harapan ninyo ang ating, yan, yung pinaka parang tripod niya. One thing that I love about DJI OSMO Mobile SE is yung gray color. I love the gray color. Napaka sophisticated at saka malinis tignan. So that's the one thing that I love. Oh yan. So we have this. And of course, the most famous magnetic na pwede nyong ilagay sa inyong phone. So okay, when you're using the phone, yan. Tantan. Pag nilagay nyo na sa phone nyo, ayan, mas didikit na siya doon at magiging balance na siya. Oops. Yaw. Yes, look oh. Yan, cute. So, ang ganda. Natakpan na si Lilo. But look at this one, guys. Ang ganda. So, I think matched with my support. Diba? Yung ganyan saxophone. So, meron na siya. Next sa box, yung pinaka-importante, yung pinaka-maganda. Ayan, na-unbox na natin siya ng buo. Okay. Let's see. Isn't it gorgeous? And by the way, just for your information, this is only 439 Saudi riyals and one of the cheapest gimbal and one of the cheapest stabilizer, not only in Saudi Arabia, but and YouTube reviewers said that this is one of the cheapest stabilizer. Titingnan natin yan and if it is really worth it. You know, again, 439 riyals with, of course, remember, meron pa tayong delivery charge and tax-free na yan. Okay, so ngayon, we will just up, yun, and then, ayan na siya. So, here, andito na yung mga buttons niya, okay, and zoom in, zoom out. Yan, hindi pa nakabukas yan, guys, ha? Hindi pa siya nakabukas. Dahil hindi pa nakabukas, and let's see, we will try to connect yung pinaka-tripod niya at saka yung pinaka-hold handling. So, ganda ng handle niya, guys, oh. Grabe, yung grip, maganda sa kamay at saka hindi siya basta-basta madudulas and stable. So far, good, stable. So again, ayan. Alright, DJI. So ngayon, dahil hindi pa siya naka-charge, I think I will send and post it later for that. Pero tingnan natin. Here you go, naka-charge siya. Yo, nakita niyo naman. There you go, naka-charge. In full battery. Can you imagine that one? And then again, ang maganda, dahil nga hindi pa tayo nagre-register online or nagre-register sa pinaka-information ng ating box or information ng ating stabilizer. So, I think mamaya pa yan. But then, I would like to show you the effect, yung ganda ng effect ng magnetic connection ng stabilizer tsaka sa phone. Look, guys. Hear that? Oh, di ba? Di ba? Ang galing. Na parang, hindi siya kagad basta-basta malalaglag. As for now, to be honest, hindi ko pa siya naaaral. Pero, once again, this is just my unboxing for my DJI OSMO Mobile SE stabilizer. And for the first impression, ganda ng kulay, okay yung handle, okay yung tripod, okay yung stand niya. Look, oh, di ba? Very, very beautiful. At saka, ang cute ng pinaka niya, oh, yun. So, once na set up na natin siya, doon natin malalaman, doon natin magagay. Here you go. You see that? Di ba? Okay. Now, pwede na siyang galaw-galawin. Hindi pa siya connected sa pinaka Bluetooth. Of course, we have to check the Bluetooth and all the process that we need to work on. Alright? So once again, guys, my name is Enzo, and again, this is my DJI Mobile SE stabilizer. So later on, guys, gagamitin na natin ang stabilizer and we will see kung gaano nga ba ka-worth it ang not so expensive na camera stabilizer or mobile phone stabilizer, kung gaano siya ka-effective, gagamitin natin yan within this coming days. So abangan nyo ang aking video. Alright? And for that, I will review it. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, mga kabayan, my name is Enzo, and this is my world.